Angel's host Valkyrie 2 here, and today we're going to be reacting to an old white man sneezing. Yeah, and here's the video. Let's do this. Ready, John?
Hi, gang. I don't know how I got talked into this, but here I am, and it's time for the ultimate sneeze. So here comes a sneeze in real time.
Alright, keep it on, keep it on.
Give me the controller. Give me the controller.
Oh, I thought you put your arms on. I was like, what the heck are you
Wait,
doing?
shh. Get it? Oh, wait, okay. So much.
Is it 3D? Shut up, dogs.
Dude, what's this? John, get in the camera.
Oh, dang, this is fun.
What's the... Look at the little...
Old white man sneezing.
Look at the little... John. He doesn't really care. He's so white.
For some reason, this Wait.
Hold still. I can't.
Hey, buddy. Aww. Aww. Let's see if my phone can do that. Alright, let's start over.
Yeah, let's just
I'm gonna see if my phone can do that. I don't think it can.